Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome back to my Sunrise Passion, where we bring you the latest and the best in beauty and skincare. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to something that's all about bringing out the best in your natural beauty. Yes, you guessed it, it's a fabulous Lakmé products. Whether you are a beauty newbie or a makeup pro, Lakmé has always been a trusted name in the world of cosmetics, and this product is no exception. So, let's dive in and discover why this is about to become your new favorite. First up, the texture. The Lakmé products has a smooth, creamy, lightweight texture that feels so luxurious when applied. It glides on effortlessly, giving you smooth skin, glowing finish. Just look at that. The difference is clear. Whether you are looking for a natural glow or something a little more dramatic, this product gives you versatility with a flawless finish. And here's the best part, Lakmé's products isn't just about looks. It's also packed with ingredients like SPF, vitamin C. So not only are you getting that perfect finish, but you're also nourishing your skin with every use. These products are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a busy day at work, a night out, or just some downtime at home. The Lakmé products keeps you looking fresh and radiant throughout. Let me know in the comments how this product worked for you. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Sunrise Passion. Stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.